Hello everyone, this is Chris Morris, and this is our advanced training series. This is lesson 17, and it deals with system property tags. So we'll go over what the purpose of a system property tag is, and then I'll show you how to create one, and we'll go over the different types that are available. Purpose of system property tag is to provide an easy way to obtain information that's already in the system. Generally, system property tags are used so you can put the current date and time on your panel, or you can use like how much shift time has elapsed, how much is available. Then you can use those to show, or basically in formulas is more what they're used for, the elapsed time. We'll go ahead and get into it here. Go ahead and go to your VT3000 homepage, open up Virtual Panels 4. When you're on the homepage, go ahead and hit Panels. You can use the system properties tags for just about any panel, combo, performance, and on, informative. It's not available in the messaging panel. So go ahead and create one. I'm using a performance panel. Just give it a name here. And then we're going to go to tags. So pretty simple. We're going to add a tag, give it a name. So I'm going to create a date and time tag. So I'm going to select for functionality, system property. And as you see, I got a date and time tag here. And basically I get it as it's only option for date time. And then there's different formats you can get. So where it shows the date with the year and the time, just the date and the year, just the date, actually spell out the date with the year, date with the day, or just a month. Then here you get different time stamps, without hours, minutes, seconds, and PM, or just hours and minutes. This is military time or European time. I'm going to go ahead and just select that one. So go ahead and create a different one here. I'm just going to name it shift, and I'll show you all the different shift tags that are available. So first one you got is the current shift ID. Not really used in much, but it's possible that you may need it for something in your tag. In formula or somewhere in the panel. So anyway, this will just give you the ID. It's currently the only way to get an idea of a shift without having to actually go into the raw data inside the database. The other one we can get is the name. So it'll give us the current name of the shift that we're in. Result is text. The duration. So this will tell you how much shift time is scheduled for the day. You can get it as an integer. Basically, it's going to show you seconds, or do time span. Select the different types of time span that are available. Hours, minutes, seconds. The other type is how much time has elapsed in the current shift. Got to select your schedule, and then you get your time span, and then your format here. You can also do integer. Basically, once again, that's just seconds. The last thing is scheduled elapsed time. So it'll give you the elapsed time of the current schedule. So total time, it'll include the break times and everything will be. So it'll just give you a total amount of time that's available for this schedule. For this, we'll just select elapsed time, and then I'll go into the break one. System property. And then basically you get the different breaks. So this will tell you the state of the current break. So is it on or is it off? And basically give you a 1 or 0. The duration, so if we're in a break and it's active, what's the duration, the total duration of that break? And then this one will just give you the elapsed time. So as that break's going on, the time will elapse and show you on the screen. Result, integer, once again, seconds, time span, how you want to see it here. You can choose one of those. So I'll just choose that. And those are the basic ones there. You can add them to a layout. Create that, column, put the tags in first. So we'll do a date, and we'll do shift. And then the last one here we can show as break. Then we can label them. So date, shift, and break. And and then basically we can show that tag on this tag information on a panel. Basically, have an exit. So I created a panel already. It's basically got all the system properties for the shift and the schedule, because that's what I've got running right now. I don't have any breaks running at this time, but basically information you see will translate into a break. So as you can see here, got my date and my time. Gives me today's date, what time it is right now. This is the total duration of the schedule, right? So got 10 hours and 30 seconds available, or 30 minutes available. This is showing me the current lapse time of the shift. So 7 hours, 31 minutes. This is the ID of the schedule. And then here's the name of the shift that we're currently in, which is first shift. And that'll do it for system properties. Go back over here to our PowerPoint. Back down here to our summary. Purpose of a system property tag, just an easy way of obtaining system information. Creating a system property tag is pretty straightforward. Give it a name, functionality, and system property, and then you're going to select which one of those that you want, and the final is the result, which is be an integer, or the date and time obviously gives you those different formats, and integers for seconds, which applies to breaks and shifts, and also you can get it to give you a time span. Practical app, basically doing what we did, create a system property tag for one of the shift options, create a system property tag for some of the schedule, maybe the schedule elapsed time, and then create a system property tag for one of those break options, and then put those in a panel just so you can see what they look like, how they're returning the data. Additional information, here's the VP4 overall wiki page. This is the page that deals with just the system property tags, and this is the overall tags page. Thank you very much for your time, and I hope you have a great day.